How to add supervision on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open your Instagram application on your mobile device. To set up Instagram supervision for your teen's account, you want to go ahead and follow this step. Your teen should be 13 to 17 of age, and the parents or guardian's age should be 18 years or older. The both parties must agree to the supervision, and both parents and teens must have personal account on Instagram. Also, they both should follow each other. So if the parents initiate this supervision, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on this tree line icon. Inside settings and activities, scroll below until you find Family Center, tap onto it. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Invite. Just like so, you want to go ahead and select your teens, then tap on Invite. And once the invitation is sent to your teens, they have to accept your invitation, and just like that, you will then be able to add supervision in Instagram. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.